Good morning. This is Beginner's Pilates. Please take a seat on the mat and then lie down on your back, centering yourself, both top and bottom and side to side. Our first exercise is hundreds. Bring your knees to your chest and then tabletop your legs. Lift your head and shoulders off the mat, and when your hands are long by your hips, just pump vigorously. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you tighten your abs in and up. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And stop. Feet down, arms down. Pull your knees to your chest and put your hands underneath your knee creases. Roll up to a sitting position. This is half roll down. Holding onto your knees where you are, slowly let your back move towards the mat, making a C curve in your spine right here till your arms are straight, and then stretch your elbows up to the sides so you come back up. Inhale to roll back down a little bit, just half, and exhale to come up. Let's do that one more time. Let your back down into a C curve towards the mat. You're not touching the mat yet. Let your arms get a little straighter, and now inhale, come back up. Now we'll try the roll down itself. Let your back down onto the floor, on the mat, all the way this time, very slowly with control. Then move your feet out in front of you several more inches and strongly flex your feet. Lift your arms up towards the ceiling. On an inhale, reach your head through your arms and then roll up towards your feet, and then let your head down and help your stretch that way. Take an inhale, and then on the exhale, slowly roll back one vertebrae at a time towards the mat, and your arms will drift up again. Very good. Do that one more time. Inhale to prepare, and exhale on the way up. Very good. Head drooping down, and then slowly return to the mat, one vertebrae at a time. Very good. Now you can rest for a minute. Bring your legs into your chest again. And then put your feet flat on the floor. Put your knees together and lift your right leg up towards the ceiling, 90-degree angle. You can have slightly soft knees. This is single legs. This is one leg circle. Circle your foot towards your other shoulder, around in a circle, and then stop. Circle around and the other side, then stop. Across the body, around, and stop. One more time. Across the body, around, and stop. Now let's reverse the circle. So it's to the left, around, and stop. Not too big a circle, just within the confines of the mat itself. One more time, around and stop. Think of your shoulders and hips like a box. That's absolutely still. You may put your right foot down and lift your left foot in the same way up to 90 degrees. Circle around in this direction and then stop. One more time, circle around and stop. Use your abs to control the box, the hips and shoulders that remain firmly attached to the mat. Now reverse that circle, around and stop, around and stop, and one final one, around and stop. Very good. The next exercise is rolling like a ball. Put your hands under your knee creases again and roll up. You need to be a little bit forward on the mat, so move yourself about 3 inches further. Very good. holding on to your knees, under your knees very strongly, lift your feet off the mat, just an inch. You're going to have to let your back assume the C shape again, so you're on your sacrum. Then lift your knees, legs up, your feet off 2 inches. Very good. Now see if you can move your body an inch forward, just using your abs. Then an inch back. Yes, balancing. This is all about balance. Using your abs to have balance. An inch forward. Okay, feet down. Now we'll do the full exercise of rolling like a ball, which is lifting your feet up and then rolling back to your shoulders and then back up again. But do it really fast. It's down and up, down and up. Yes, down and up. Hold on to your abs tight as you can. One more. Down and up. Very good. Now we should relax. Okay, now we'll do single leg stretch. So hug your knees into your chest. Put your right hand on your right ankle and your left hand on your right knee. Then your left leg extends all the way out. And then we're going to switch in space. So pull, switch, head and shoulders up, pull, switch, head and shoulders up, pull, switch, pull, switch, pull, switch. Tighten your abs, lift and tighten, pull, switch. One more, pull, switch, feet down. The next exercise we'll do is double leg stretch. In this case, you start hugging your knees again, head and shoulders off the mat, and then the action would be to extend your arms high and extend your legs at the same time. Extend and then hug. Extend and hug. Extend and hug. Inhale to extend, exhale to hug. Inhale, extend, exhale to hug. Inhale, extend, exhale to hug. One more. Inhale to extend, exhale to hug, and feet down. From this position, we'll go on to the scissors exercise.